Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset OPPO Reno 15 Pro Mini 5G smartphone. This is helpful for those who forgot their password, PIN or pattern. As you can see, incorrect password, please try again. Here you can see incorrect password, please try again. Here you can see. Okay, to do hard reset, first power off your smartphone. To power off the smartphone, press the volume up and power button together. Now slide downward to power off your smartphone. Now it is successfully power off. Now press and hold the volume down and power button together. And when the OPPO logo appears, OPPO logo appears, release the power button and keep pressing the volume down button and now release it. Now wait for a moment. And you can see language, volume keys to move up and down, and power button to confirm. And you can also use the touch feature. So now here select language, and here you can see it will send you in recovery. In recovery, format data, reboot device and power off is available. Simply tap on format data. So you can see format data. Please enter verification code in this font. 4725 is a verification code, so enter it 4725. So here you can see on bottom format data, all user data will be reset. Here you can see. So now simply tap on format. Okay, wiping, please wait. And here you can see data formatted. Now simply tap on OK. And guys, after hard reset might take some time to boot up the device, and after hard reset again ask for password, PIN or pattern, use Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard reset OPPO Reno 15 Pro Mini 5G smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in the comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.